I was freaking out because it was my mechanic was quoting me $3,000, and just buying the house and losing my job, I was like, oh my goodness, I can't afford $3,000. In my last video, I shared a little bit more about our catalytic converter. If you didn't see it, quick high level. We bought a car for my son 2 years ago when he started driving, and we bought it with a replacement or third-party catalytic converter, or CAT. When we tried to get it smogged, it failed. I was freaking out because it was my mechanic was quoting me $3,000, and just buying the house and losing my job, I was like, oh my goodness, I can't afford $3,000. Anyways, I reached out to Bar out here in California, who help with this sort of thing, and yeah, they were able to help me out. I reached out to them, scheduled a phone interview that lasted about 45 minutes. They just kind of explained the process, had some questions for me, and then they asked for pictures. After reviewing them, they decided to move me on to the next stage, which was the visual inspection. So I did that, and I'm happy to say that we got approved. And what does that mean? So basically, we got a label that's now affixed to the door. So as long as we have the car, anytime we get a smog, we can just say like, hey, check out the label. They scan it. They realize that it's good to go. So what initially started off as a $3,000 repair turned into a $70 expense. That was the cost of the smog test. So, oh my gosh, that was huge. To save that amount of money, especially right now, couldn't have come at a better time.